uSteve Biko, in his book I Write What I Like, khona i-chapter ethi Black Consciousness and the Quest for a True Humanity. And thank you, International Betty, for recommending the chapter. Yabo. So uSteve Biko begins by ukuthi kumele sizibuze kuqala ukuthi why is it necessary to collectively solve problems we never created? Yabo. Athi it's one of two options. Firstly, is it the will of God? Is this divine intervention? Did God decide ukuthi kunabantu who are superior, kunabantu who are inferior? Yangithola? Or is this artificially fabricated by abantu who are power hungry and value wealth and authority? Yangithola? Athi this question is important because if black consciousness is irrelevant in a society which does not see color, yangithola? Because you cannot, like, it's in the name, black consciousness. So angeke uthi upushe i-black consciousness in a colorless society. Yangithola? And that black consciousness is very important yona ngokwayo because black people are subjugated because of being black. Yangithola? So black consciousness is important, but black consciousness is irrelevant in a society which does not see color. Yangithola? So Steve Biko ukhuluma ngecolor kancane and racism, yabo. Ukuthi color was created for economic reasons, yabo. Abantu, white leaders, like the white elite, wanted to create a barrier between the, the the superior whites. This is what they believed about. They wanted to create a barrier between the superior whites and the inferior blacks. They wanted to create something to validate the privilege of white people. And what better option than skin color sub? Because there was a time Europeans used to enslave themselves, each other. Like the French used to enslave like the British, or the British used to enslave the Portuguese. So there was a time they used to fight amongst each other based on tribes or based on the languages before they came to us. So now they're using their skin color to justify like their superiority complex. So whenever people of privilege, batola power or privilege, anyone like they want to indulge in that privilege, bafuna kube yibo kuphela who have that privilege. And like that's what privilege means vele. If sonke we have a privilege, then privilege is no longer privilege. Hence whites as a whole believe in the inferiority of black people. So like because they believe they have a privilege based on their skin. So to justify or validate their privilege, they believe that black people are inferior. So Tina, as whites, we are privileged because we are superior, but unprivileged because they are inferior. Why? Because we are whites and they are black. So much ukuthi uSteve Biko so much ukuthi initially njengoba sho ukuthi racism began for